Hello everyone. So today I have a surprise, a box surprise. This just arrived 10 minutes ago. So I received from the cargo and I remember that my boyfriend ordered a teapot from Amazon, so I'm excited to open because I was the one who chose the color of this teapot. Um, we have we had already a teapot at home, but one of my boyfriend's friend burned our teapot. He used his clothes to hold the handle of the teapot, and he doesn't know that it was real hot and his clothes was burned with the teapot, and that's why the burnt clothes went inside the teapot because it was melted. I'm already excited to open what's the color of this teapot. So let's try to open. I have a cutter with me, so let's see. So my boyfriend is not here right now because he has a flight to Germany, but he will be here. He will be here later at midnight. So let's try to open this. I'm so excited. Oh, it's really cool. I'm going to show you guys. Look at this. It's I think the color of the teapot is the handle. This is my favorite color. So this is from he bought this teapot from Karaca. So Karaca. Okay. So let's try to open it. So I'm trying to open. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look, this one. The handle is so nice. Look at this. And here's the lid. It's so cute. Look at this. So this one. So we Filipinos, we're not used to drink tea, but when I started to drink tea, I was liking it. So look at this. This one is the biggest one. This is where you boiled water, and then this one is where you place the tea. So this is like this. So this is for boiling water, and this one is where you put the tea. So it's really nice. It's really cool. So look at this. I have two. Yes. You will put water here, and then when the water is boiling, you need to put the other one, and then put a boiling water here, and then add the tea. So this is it, guys. So cute. I'm so excited to show him later because he doesn't see this. I was the one who chose this, and he bought from Amazon. So that's it, guys.